Menta kesngi ka Blood Bank Civil Hospital Nongpo, kalapanlong ka voluntary blood donation camp kam awareness program ha ka ba ka menteri rangba ka kot ka khia ka Dr. Amperin Lingdo haringkat uba Miral Bonsim MLA ka Nongpo constituency ubadero chairman ka Meghalaya State Advisory Board kilapan shlori ki patba ban mi syakhamat ban ais ngobhaya kasnam syaki jaka aijing sumar badan ya ka blood bank kenang banlong ka jing mentoy ya ki patba badan kam ya kasnam na kalian kini ki arngut kinong mi khamat jong ka sorkar jela kila ais ngobhai kasnam banlong kum shibenta banlong ka jingirap ya ki patba ha kalai photarik ujemang arhajar arpholai ka balalong hanongpo parish ha kani kasngi ladon ringkar ru da ka Dr. Amperin Lingdo minister badai pechong ka kot ka khia kum ka kongsan uba Meral Bons MLA ka Nongpo constituency Arpit Upadhyaya Deputy Commissioner Riboy District haringkat ki officer jongka kot ka khia bapher haba keren kilat pathai kubor ka Dr. Amperin Lingdo lembar Umeral Bons kila kentui ki patba bakim deban syapting haba ai ka smubhaya kasnam namar kalongkum shibenta ka jingerab ya ki patba ha ka por bakidan kam
song sonong ibi apo jom ka Febri boy bat ka nongpo kursi barokoi aga batung inwan sakmat ban ai subha ya ka snam ka jungi lani ban donate ya ka blood ka bangi ngidot kangin sim ka nuksa ha ka bangin ai ya ka snam ka jungi na ka banta ban don benta bagin la banyarap yeno mar bagidon sibun ki bapang ki pasitong ki badan kam ya snam ko ka jela jungi dan ring iduna palat ki ba donate voluntary ki ba ai subha ya ka snam ki semua kan kentu ya ki nong som kam kinong kendong ki jungi so bahawa nung ting banai ka snam marba ngi sai ting ngi sai smi ngi ting yo ngi sitom yo ngi pang tadi kam ni kum kata ka jing stasan selamba de gitu per gidon akaba kanong jing sta ya kamet ki bakot ki bakia ki bahadin balada tes marba ki doktor ki jongi kin sim ka snam hadin bakin tes ya ki balong banai so bahawa banai lan stang berada pada ngi pang ngi sitom ngi kentu ki nong som ban ya mi reti ki param som hari boy jing kepat nagal yang cungah hafi kolong ba dair ban yatik de ban ya mut sakmat na kabenta baji ai snam ha baju arab ya je re kali kumbangi yarab na kabenta kino gilong sem ki beduk ki beli ki barangli ki ba dair baju arab ya baje ta ka ba ai snam i ta ka bangi bu ya ki blood bank bekumta terter kan long ke jing kerbu na kabenta dan yang bukai jung gitu gilong kecor ki ba air ka ba te ke jing ketu na kumta jung nok chong ban subha baji yang mun reti ban ya Islam na kumta jung nor ka jing syakri para beliau ka jing syakri yo beli
young second time MLA from the district of Riboy from Nongpo constituency also coming and attending an important program like the one that we are attending today. I just want to reassure the people of Riboy that we are here to walk the talk. Very often, as you saw in that skit, lives are lost because we are hesitant as a community to be the change. Donation of blood is actually a very healthy practice. Personally, as an MLA, I have donated regularly every once a year. In fact, I feel that there is no point in me telling somebody else to donate blood if I cannot be the change. So young people of the district of Riboy, this voluntary blood donation is an investment for you and the people of your district itself. Very, very important that we upscale our storage facilities, and therefore you see that the government of Meghalaya now is willing to partner with all these capable partners who know the business of how we can ensure that the blood that is being donated is utilized, stored and utilized in the best possible way. I want to therefore thank the Managing Director and the entire team of the Terimo Pencoal Private Limited, Terimo Blood and Cell Technologies. We have to ensure that blood, which is alive, is available for the people. So today, by example, the Honorable MLA and I will donate blood. We've just taken the test. We are very healthy and we are in a position to donate blood. I would like to start a chain of young people coming forward to donate blood. Are we willing? Are we going to do it? Are we going to do it? Are we going to be the starters of this cycle, which is very, very necessary for us to ensure that we are just not donating blood for people of our own family, but we are also saying it is healthy to donate blood. Let us inculcate a good practice of having at our disposal blood, which is going to be vital in the saving of lives in our communities and societies. The very fact that blood donation is very vital in the community is seen when each family faces a situation where, because of the requirement of blood, family members face a lot of problems. I have myself met families who are in dire state of blood, but surprisingly nobody from their family was willing to actually donate because of the fear that they had. Ever since I gave blood donation, I have become like this, I have become like that, I have become like this. Therefore, sometimes we don't even value the very fact that we ourselves can donate for our families. The moment you do that once, you get encouraged. And you will be encouraged to therefore also donate blood for others who need your blood, whom you may not know by name or in person. I feel that if we are able to do this, we will be able to be self-sufficient as a community. The very fact that there are so many diseases, there are so many bad practices around us in our communities that should make us more aware of the vitality of blood donation. We have to remember that when situations arise around us, very often we refuse to be the solution. We feel more comfortable talking about